Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Nvda, AMD, and Tesla. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's go right into the Nvda chart on the daily time frame. We're almost at 25 million with the after hours action. Got about 15 minutes left, so great day, guys. 517 up, and we're even up after hours, 78 cents. Well, yeah, it is ticking through, so maybe got some news, but we got about 15 minutes left in the after hours action. We are 43 cents up on the SPY. We caught a bid on the bank news or the stress test stuff. I guess it was all good. So we're watching this pattern. Came down. Now it's slightly bearish. We're holding this consolidation area down here. Remember, it consolidated here. You have a gap as well. So this is going to be some support as it comes down. We had 3 pretty good sell days, and now it's catching that. 517, like we said. Let's see if we consolidate and keep going sideways, or do we recapture the 20 MA, fill the gap, and continue higher. So still inside bar, bearish pattern, but let's see if we can retrace, or does it just kind of do one of these. And really, it's a market trade, guys. If the market was going lower today, this would have went lower. I think this would have dragged everything down. Markets went up. Everything right now is a market trade. Markets go higher. Most likely, it's going higher with the market, unless it gets some bad news or a downgrade or something like that. So it's holding support. Let's see what we get in the next couple days, and then we'll see what's on the weekly close, which will be Friday, and then we'll look at the weekly chart as well on the Nvidia. Let's go into the AMD, guys. AMD a little bit down today, only 17 cents, no great shakes, but we talked about this upside, trying to get above this trend line, and then didn't we have, was there gap fill? Yeah, gap fill right here, and then the high pivots. That was another big area. So we came up, nice reversal. We reversed yesterday, and we talked about, we closed below this low, right at the 250 retrace as well. And look, we had a little more follow through today. Volume still has been light, so it's been some light volume selling. So there's really no conviction here coming in, just a little bit of profit taking. Again, guys, you buy a 1060, 1123, this thing almost goes to 15. So you got people taking profits. It's pretty simple. Just these are the first 3 days, and then you got the last guys going, oh my gosh, I got to get out of this thing, and that's the same guy who bought here. Smart money's like, gosh, 14 bucks, 14.50, done. And the gap fill as well, good resistance up here, got to sell it. So we're coming back in. This is a great trading vehicle, guys. Talked about this channel too. Got above it, right back below, got above it, right back below. Couldn't do it this time. You had that trend line as well, right back in. But this trend line's holding the bottom side. So let's see, gap fill, gap fill. Let's see if it goes back in. We got plenty of support down in here. So let's see what happens as it comes back down into this area. If we bounce, we get through here though, that could mean some lower prices to come, guys. But one step at a time. Right now, a little bit weak looking. Let's see if we continue up or down. We are 11 cents down after hours, but we're going into the after hours close. So not. We'll see what happens tomorrow. It looks like we're gapping up, but you never know. So could be a sell the news event. So on the overall markets with the SPY and the bank stuff I'm talking about. So, but AMD, guys, a little bit weak closing today, but still up in this upper range. We came back down. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we go sideways. Let's see if it follows through. For all I know, we could pop right back up and crank through this trend line here. That's a big one, guys. It's got to get above there and continue higher. That's going to be the line in the sand for now. Let's wait for pattern. See where this thing goes into Friday. Let's go into Tesla, guys. Buy the dip mentality, still alive and well. We did come back into the 20 MA. Almost filled the gap, couldn't make it, popped right back up, back above the 20, the 50, and the 200 again. Still okay, guys. I mean, you're still in a bullish pattern. This little bit of downside, sideways, you know how I am if you follow my videos, down, sideways. I don't care if it's at the upper channel or upper area of the MAs. I mean, this is a good bullish stance. Doesn't mean this bearish pattern can start playing out possibly, so watch out for that. But slightly bullish, chopping around up here at the highs. Had a nice little $8, almost $9 day, and it is holding this support area right in here. Let's see if it chops, or retraces back up. If you're bullish, it's got to retrace right back up, fill the gap, get the double top. Then I think we could do 400, maybe even 425, guys, if it really starts to go. And they'll be hyping this thing up like crazy if it gets past 400. So if it gets up there, you might get a slingshot to the upper 420, 425. But remember, you start getting that, and you're in this thing in a call. Pull some profits out, guys. But overall, watch the markets on these trades. If the markets are weak, these will tend to come in. Today on AMD, you got a little bit you know, just couldn't get anything going. But, you know, I showed you that chart, guys. AMD, you know, just a great move. I mean, what if you bought down here around 10, goes to 15? That's a heck of a move. Just think about that. So it's a trading vehicle for a lot of guys and girls. Don't get me wrong. So you long-term guys, you got to be patient with this. Just put the position on and let it go if you think this thing's going up. So don't watch it every day, because there's traders like me trying to find bottoms and tops to short and go long. So, all right, guys, if you like these videos, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership, and what can I say? I really appreciate it. I love making these videos for you guys, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching them. So thanks for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.